everyone, how are you all? I'm back with my weekly horoscope for the second week of January, that is 11th to 17th of January, based on your zodiac sign. I generally give readings as per the moon sign, but if you don't know your moon sign, don't worry, you can check this reading with sun sign, whichever resonates with you. It's a general reading. Have faith, and definitely you will resonate with these cards and my energies, because I have picked up the card thinking of everybody in my mind, and definitely you will surely resonate with these cards. बट अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन, सो दैट आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, सो दैट उनको भी ये गाइडेंस मिल सके यूनिवर्स की तरफ से. मैं टाइम स्टैम्प डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी फॉर ऑल द जोडियक साइंस, so you can check there as per the zodiac you are connected with. For any personalized assistance or you want to talk to me, my social media handles will be there. Reach out to me, I will surely assist you. So this is the week where we have Makar Sankranti, Lodi, Pongal, Uttarayan. So wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Uttarayan. May this festive season brings lot of happiness and joy in your life. So chaliye, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first zodiac sign hai Aries. So let's see what is stored for Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. Okay, Aries, for you the card is Four of Summer, which means you are distracted somewhere, you are फेलिंग टू सी मैजिकल अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रहे हैं आपके पास, लेकिन आप कहीं ना कहीं डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो. मे बी योर माइंड इज नॉट सीइंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और आप you are taking something or someone for granted, and you are feeling distracted, bored, lonely, and you are unable to see the opportunities. Just meditate, think about the happiness in life, think about what exactly you need in life, reach out to the opportunities. Otherwise, if it goes away, you will left with nothing. So you just close your eyes, meditate, and think what is your life purpose, what exactly you need in life. Currently you are discontentment with life, so don't be discontentment. Things are there for you that will bring happiness and joy, but you have to tap it across. You have to find out what exactly you need in life, Aries. I hope you will understand this. All the best. Let us move on to Taurus. वृषभ राशि, चलिए देखते हैं वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो टॉरस, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 9 ऑफ समर, विच इज अ विश कार्ड. I wish you that all your wishes come true, your dreams are fulfilled. It's a magical time of life. Just sit near your God and manifest your desires. Universe is blessing you, and surely you will get your desires, your wishes will be granted. Whatever dreams and goals you have, definitely it will be fulfilled. So all the best, Taurus. So let us move ahead and check the guidance for Gemini, Mithun Rashi. Let's see what is stored for Gemini. Okay, Gemini, for you the card is the World, which means this week you will achieve success in life. The project which you have worked on is now completed. Your hard work is going to pay. Superiors will appreciate your work. So overall it's a good week for you. Maybe you'll get promoted, or maybe you'll get salary increment, and you are now ready to move ahead with the new direction, the freedom to go to any direction. The road is open, and now one journey is complete and you are ready for new journey, new opportunities. Students are graduated, so you will be going for your graduation ceremony. If you are singles, you will get committed this week, or if you are already committed, you might get married, or if you are already married, you'll plan for a baby or go for a world tour. So overall it's a completion card where one part of it is completed and you are ready for the new journey. So all the best, Gemini. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Cancer. Let's see कर्क राशि के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay, so Cancerians, for you the card is the Hermit, which means this is the week where you need to find mentor for your life journey, where you want to understand what exactly you need in life. You have to introspect, you have to look within yourself to find the answers. It's the time for soul searching. Take a break from society, go out alone, sit near the garden or nature, or go in mountains, sit quietly, meditate, and find your life purpose. Commitment to your spiritual growth. So it's the time to fulfill your spiritual journey. You need to go out, sit in silence, meditate, and find your purpose. It's the time for introspection, self searching. So, all the best, Cancer. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo, Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is Princess of Summer, which means this is the time where where you find a new relation or emotional experience. For singles, it is a good week where you will have a joyful emotional experience, or some might get invitations to some social events. Also, if you are feeling lonely or you want to share somebody your concerns, this is the week where you find a compassionate friend with whom you can share your joys, your sorrows, your concerns this week. It is the time to be kind, to be sensitive and gentle, of course. So overall it's a good week for you, Leo. All the best. चलिए, let us move ahead and see the guidance for Virgo. कन्या राशि के लिए क्या कार्ड आया है? Okay, wonderful card for Virgo. It's lovers. So this is the week where you will find your true love, which will be long lasting. So singles, it's a joyful week for you where you will have a passionate and romantic partner, or if you are already married, you will spend time with your partner, going out for a candlelight dinner. Again, if your relationship is struggling, it's the time to have open conversation, heart to heart conversation, plan an outing, sit together and discuss your concerns, and it's the time to patch up. Also, this week you might be making decisions or choices from the heart. So your decisions, your choices will be based on what your heart says, Virgo. Also, if you are struggling with health, it is the time to return to good health. So overall it's a good card for you, Virgo. All the best. चलिए, let us move ahead to Libra. तुला राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है. So let me open the card for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is 8 of Summer, which means this is the time to move out from situations or circumstances or someone which is not serving any purpose, which is creating troubles in your life. You have put lot of efforts, but the situation or the person is not going to change, so you should move on. It is the time to find more meaningful life. So you have realized that it's the time to move on. Despite your efforts, the situation or things are not moving in your favor. So better to move away and find more meaningful life. Also, this week you might be choosing major life changes which might be beneficial for you. So the dawn is waiting and the changes will definitely will be beneficial for you. I know it's दिल पे पत्थर रख के आप ये डिसीजन ले रहे हो, but this is the thing which is going to be changing this week. So all the best. Let us move ahead and find the guidance for Scorpio. चलिए देखते हैं वृश्चिक राशि के लिए क्या कार्ड आया है. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is King of Autumn, which means this week you are very compassionate, very charismatic personality. People will be attracted towards your charm. Also, this is the week where you need to be assertive, Scorpio, when it comes to what you know is right. So you have to stick to the belief, stick to your belief. If you feel this is right, so you have to be assertive. Everything is going the way you wanted. You are a good leader and everything is going the way you wanted. Your work, your friends, everybody is in your favor. So things are going how you have planned. Also, you might find a good person or company to work for, to work with your ambition, to work with your goals. So definitely you will find a good person or company to work for. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see what is the card. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is 6 of Summer, which means this is the week where you will be reliving your childhood memories, you will be rejoicing your childhood memories, or you might come across your ex lover or your childhood friend with whom you will spend time with and have a joyful experience. Also, my advice is remember memories which are happy, which is not worse. Because if you think about worse situations, it will worsen your present. So, better think about the memories which are good and learn from the worst memories. Do not continuously hold the memories which are worse. So, it is always important to remember good memories. Also, this is the very harmonious week for you in terms of relationship. You will be having equal and harmonious relation where there will be mutual cooperation and give and take. So overall, a good week for you, and or you might be wanted to be child again. So it is very good to be child again. So make use of it, and all the best, Sagittarians. So chaliye, let us move ahead and open the card for Capricorn. Let's see what is the card for. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is 5 of Summer, which means don't be disappointed, don't be sad. Trust that there is a reason for everything that happened. So remove yourself from any negative emotions which you are currently facing. Maybe things are not worked as per your thoughts or as per your wishes, because maybe this happened, universe didn't wanted this to happen, so that is the reason. So trust whatever happened is happened for a reason. Don't hold on to it, don't regret for it, just move on, learn from it and move on. Fo- don't focus on things which are frightening you or worrying you, just focus on things which makes you happy. Move on. If one thing is not worked in your favor, leave it and move on. I know maybe if you are going for a job hunt and you were unable to crack the interview, don't worry, maybe that job was not meant for you. Learn from it and move on. All the best, Capricorns. Next, Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Let's see what is the card for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is Ace of Winter, which means this is the week where you might get a breakthrough from confusions or the mental cloud which was going on in your head. This is the week where it will be clear out. You will get mental clarity of the things or decision you wanted to take, or you have the ideas which needs to be implemented, that will trigger in your mind. So it is the right time to implement those ideas. If you are starting new project, this is the right time to start the project. Don't be carried away by the challenges along the way. To fulfill your dreams and goals, you have to march ahead and fulfill your goals. and it is also important to communicate clearly and accurately what exactly your goals are, so that they are fulfilled and you are ready to take action to fulfill those goals. All the best, Aquarius. Now, the last zodiac sign, Pisces. Let's see what is stored for Pisces. Okay, Pisces, for you, the card is King of Summer, which means this week you will be devoted, matured, and warm hearted person. You will find a romantic partner with whom you can trust if you are single, if you are already in a relationship, or you are married. So, trust your partner is the right choice. You have to trust him or her. Also, if you are looking for an advice from your friend or closed ones, this week you will get advice directly from the heart, or vice versa. If you are the person, you will give the advice directly from the heart. Also, this week you might be involved yourself in some creative activities or some cultural activities, and you will be enjoying doing that. So, all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this week will be joyful as the last week. If you have challenges, rest assured it will be over and you will have a good week ahead. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye bye.